asking, are you fucking ready for action? Ready for action. Only one question we asking, question we asking. Is it your house when you smashing? As we leave all of you gasping, take you to another dimension. As you feel your mind collapsing, we always push it to the maxes. When we come at you, we blasting. Don't think I'm overreacting, overreacting.
Tonight.